wishing everyone a very happy new year. In this video we are going to see how we can capture the ride logs of Ather EV into a Google Sheets and get alerts whenever you complete a ride. So what's wrong with the current Ather app? Actually the app is good. They provide the range, how much you get in each mode, the current battery capacity, the trip planner, and your wallet balance for fast charging, services. There are a lot, but few things I wanted more. Assume that you want to sell your vehicle to someone who uses ICE vehicle. What would be their worry for buying an EV? You would have asked the same question when you have bought this vehicle, if I'm not wrong. Like the first question you ask, what would be the range that you get from a full charge? The second question, how long the battery will last, because the battery is the most important and costliest component in the vehicle. Unfortunately, the app doesn't provide any of these things. Instead, they provide the top speed that you drove and the best efficient ride that you took a long time back. Unfortunately, these are outliers which doesn't reflect the current state of the vehicle and not going to help you in any way. This video, I'm trying to solve one of the issues highlighted. I don't have any way to get the SOH, the state of health of the battery. You need to contact your service center. They may provide the number, but I'm not sure. But for the average range, I'm trying to set up a way to capture the ride logs and store it in Google Sheets so that you can use the data to analyze like how much the range you get for each charge and how it is changing over time. Open up a browser and go to sheets.google.com and create a blank spreadsheet. You can name it the way you want. This is just going to be your file name to store all your ride logs. I'm just storing it as my ride logs. And then go to extensions, app script. It will open up a new tab. You can rename the project with the same name. Just follow the instruction provided in the other file. You just copy the library ID and paste it there. Click lookup, choose the latest version and don't change the identifier name. It will just add the library, and then you just copy and paste the entire content in the script window. So the instructions are given in the top. You just follow the instruction, then you will be good. So first few steps we have completed till pasting the code. The next step is to fill the required information on the configure script function. The first item is the bot token. To get the bot token, you need to open Telegram and search for bot further. From bot further, you can get the bot token. Then click start and it will have a lot of options. You click the new bot and it will ask you to provide a name for your bot. You just provide a name. And in the second step is most important. You have to provide a user ID for your bot that has to end with bot, and it should be unique and it should not be taken previously. Okay, it will give you a API key. Just copy it and paste it in the other sheet and never ever share this API key to anyone. If you do, they may take over your bot. So don't do it. API key that you see here is temporary. I'm going to delete it after creating this video. Then you need to fill the owner chat ID. You go to Telegram again and search for user info bar. Get the numeric value of your Telegram ID. Then you need to fill the battery capacity for the vehicle that you use. For me, I am using Gen 3, so I am just using the 3240 as the SoC capacity. Then we need to update the hook URL. For that, you need to go to deploy and click manage deployments. Create new deployment. And choose web app from the gear icon. Don't change anything in the version or description, or maybe you can provide a description, maybe initialize bot or something. It is okay. Execute as, choose your email ID, and who has access? Anyone, because the Telegram is going to access this link, so it has to be set anyone. It will ask you to authorize. You click authorize, choose your email, click on save, select all, click continue. It will take a few seconds to deploy. Once the deployment is complete, you will get web app URL, copy it and paste it next to the webhook URL. There is nothing to update. You can ignore the enable logs or worker URL. Go to the readme instructions. You need to run the configure script function. So from the drop down you select configure script, hit run. It will take few seconds. Once it is done, you need to run the second function called setup. The same way, you click setup and hit run. After this step, your bot will start work. So you go back to Telegram. If you don't know what is your bot name, you just open the bot further and click the name that you have provided. So it will just open the bot that you have created and you can verify the name and click start. It will just give you few instructions like the commands that you can use. Start with the login one. Click login. It will ask you to input your phone number, the one you have registered with Ather. You will get a OTP for login, the same way that you get it to login for the app. So input the OTP and send it to the bot. You will be authorized to log into the bot, and immediately it will fetch the last 100 rides that you have taken, because Ather stores only the last 100 rides. And the next step is setting up the trigger. Whenever you take the ride, the bot will fetch the ride and send an alert to you, and also a few more alerts like daily, weekly summaries. And you have other options like the commands. It will bring up few buttons. You can click each of the button and see how your vehicle have performed in recent days, like the last 100 rides that we have taken. You can check the data at day level, month level, week level, year level. For a demonstration purpose, I removed the last line, the 101st line, and use the trip command to show you how it will display if a new trip is completed. So it will display like how much time you have taken for the ride, how much distance you have covered, what mode you have driven, and how many kilometers you applied brakes, how many kilometers you coast. All those information it will provide. To enhance your bot, go to your bot settings, edit commands, then provide the commands that are listed in the screen, so that you need not to remember the commands every time and you can use it from the menu. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can see how my efficiency is changing month over month, and how I am riding, like how much distance I am applying brake, how much distance I am coasting, and also what mode I am using more, and how it is impacting my efficiency.